Let's talk about the weather once again with meteorologist Theo Cook. And we're only seeing just a little bit of rain just across the whole area. Today's not going to be a washout by any means, right?
No, very similar to what we saw yesterday. Maybe a little bit more wet than yesterday. What's interesting is just about everybody, almost 60, 70, 80% coverage, saw rain yesterday. It just wasn't nearly as intense, wasn't nearly as steady and long-lived as what we saw really last week and over the weekend. Kind of each day we go, we're going to continue to trend drier and drier after we get through today. Still a decent shot of seeing at least about half to 60% coverage today or so. Trace to a quarter of an inch, maybe even some isolated half-inch amounts, Newport to Greenville, radar estimated, but you see about 70 to 80% there over the last 24 hours. So we have added at least limited totals, and at McGee-Tyson specifically in the Knoxville area, about 2.5, 2 3/4, 2.77 to be exact. Year to date now, so from January 1st through yesterday, 17 3/4 of an inch. That's still close to a 5-inch deficit. So we have vastly improved our deficit and vastly improved the drought. That will come out tomorrow morning and we'll share that with you. But mostly sunny skies or variably cloudy skies of kind of a 50-50 cumulus clouds and sun. Sticky to even a tropical feel, what we normally would feel at late summer. Those pinks from Danridge all the way down to McMinn, Monroe County there in the Southern Valley. And just the sheer amount of moisture is really allowing us to see some spotty showers and not even any storms yet, but a few downpours closer towards McMinn and Loudoun County right now. Those will continue to grow and continue to move up towards the north-northeast. Probably a little bit overdone by 2 o'clock, but kind of a similar story where it's just dotted showers and maybe a rumble or two as we approach 5, 6, 7 o'clock. Here is 7 o'clock, 20, 30% coverage, maybe 40% at best. But that means that at least half of us are on the dry side at any given point. By 11 o'clock, probably closer to 30 or 20% coverage, we'll continue to decrease those opportunities the later and later we go. So better opportunities just after really just before sundown through just after sundown, about 10 or 11. And then we'll continue to downtrend. Less than 20% of us see those rain opportunities for daybreak on your Thursday. We will start very mild and muggy once again, though. The mugginess doesn't go anywhere tomorrow. 63 Oneida La Follette, 64 Morristown, 66 in Telco Plains. Very similar highs tomorrow, upper 70s to low, even a few mid-80s. 82 Gatlinburg to Loudoun, 84 Telco Plains, 79 in Crossville to 83 in Sneeville. And we'll actually have a light northerly wind tomorrow, at least north of I-40. Starting off again, mainly dry, but mainly cloudy for your Thursday. There will be times of sunshine once again, though, kind of 50-50, variably cloudy skies. By about the lunchtime hour, notice isolated, very random showers. Once again, I'm not expecting much in the way of thunderstorms tomorrow. May try to see a few rumbles, McMinn, Monroe County, Ray County as well, but that will quickly drift off towards the south. Our better opportunity for rain in general, starting tomorrow, really Friday, and through the weekend is going to be south of I-40, where we still need at least several inches of rain. This is our water vapor product over the last 6 hours. The greens and even kind of the blackish color is a lot of moisture. Notice it's just continuing to stream up into our area. Nothing is shutting it off, at least not yet. Notice the kind of grayish, whitish to greens. That's the abundant moisture in place. Friday, drier air tries to squeak back into our area. It's not really going to get there, but notice by Saturday night to Sunday, those oranges indicate very dry air in the upper atmosphere, and you will really start to feel it. We go from really tropical today to comfortable to even dry as we go into next Sunday and Monday. It's a little bit of a cool front, we'll call it. Not a cold front by any means, but a cool front. That'll drop low temperatures, Stan, possibly into the upper 50s for a few of us, and highs just a couple degrees below average in the upper 70s. Should be very nice, dry, and sunny to start next week.
Good deal, Theo. Looking forward to it.